Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the two-piece baby combo set. Now this set comes with the newborn 5 to 8 pounds hat loom, and it also comes with a baby booty loom. Now these looms, you can purchase them separately. You can purchase them in the two-piece set, or both of these looms come with the 4-piece combo, the large adult combo. They also offer a 2-piece preemie set as well, which I'll show you them side by side just so you can see the difference. This is the preemie hat loom, which is 2 to 5 pounds. This one's 5 to 8. And then here is the newborn booty, and this is a baby booty. So as you can see, there is a significant size difference in those, so you definitely want to make sure you're getting the set for the needs that you will have. And of course, each set does come in 3 different sizes. You have your 1/2 inch, you have your 5/8, and then you have a 3/4 gauge. There you go. So that's really all I have for this. If you want to make both of these combos are wonderful. You can make nice little sets that will match and will be size appropriate for your needs. So you can make little footies, and you can make a hat to go with it. You know, so it's a really nice set. The preemie set, this one's actually a really good size to do the no scratch mitts for the babies. So that's another option, something you can do with that one. Alright, well that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching.